why it is important to know the aim of the game. I have choose the king, and it is the responsibility of the king to decide the aim. Many times, what happens that you have the force, you have the power, you have the command, and you march with your full force and reach to your destination, but you don't know what to do after reaching there. And this is a common problem. We know the path, we know how to walk the path, but we don't know what to do at your destination. Many says journey is far more important and enjoyable than the destination itself. Moving or going up to Everest, the journey in itself is the thrill, not the peak of it. Likewise, a leader, a king, should know what is his aim. And like Vivaswan said in the beginning, the role of a king is to guide and to move his forces in the right direction. And he can't do that unless he has a clear aim in his mind. Just moving the king out of his comfort or from his palace and letting him go wandering all over the country, his kingdom. One day he will go to Assam, other day he will go to West Bengal and do something. And in between, he may miss his aim, and his aim is to take care of his population, his subjects. So, as said wisely in our old scriptures, a king must know the aim. He should know Sam, Dam, Dandabhed. And in addition to that, there are three qualities a king must have, that is the Maya, Upeksha, and Indrajal. With that, a king can become a supreme or a great leader to lead his subjects. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Toastmaster Mahavir, for that wonderful speech. Can I ask Toastmaster Puneet now? I'm sure you're ready. Toastmaster Puneet, please evaluate Toastmaster Mahavir.
Absolutely. Having known him personally, he has an amazing command of language with regards to Hindi literature as such, but that also comes into a recommendation. So I want him to describe what is the translation. That is one area he could work on. I wanted to know Maya, Upeksha, and the other third one as well. Also, when he explained Sam, Dam, Dandaved, although it's known to certain audience, but I think had he given translation of it, that would have been better. Uh, Overall, it's very content rich, but I still feel where it stick to the topic. So I was still having that. Uh, I was Mahavir able to justify the topic. Somewhere I felt he did not, because why is it important to have the aim? He did brought in that perspective of that it gives direction and all. What I would have appreciated is that he would have had he stick a lot more to the topic. That would have been a lot more better for me to understand in terms of clarity. But having said that, I always appreciate his content, dense content which he always presents, and it was pleasure to listen to him again after a long time. Please come back to our club again and again. Back to you, Toastmaster Nirmala.
Thank you, Toastmaster Puneet. Moving on to a third subject. Okay, now who will be taking up the role?
We have Toastmaster Jasprit raising a hand.
Toastmaster Jasprit? I'm having some issues.
Yes,
So choose your piece.
I would like to go with Queen.
Oh, wonderful. So it's Queen for you.
Yeah.
Give me a minute. I'm having some issues with my sharing. Just one sec.